G'day, Daniel here from Vertec IT Services. I got another little cybersecurity story for you today. Prompted to me by a post that went on about recycling IT kit, right? So one of the things I'd point out is that, guys, you need to take out the SIM cards, take out your SD cards, and factory format your phones. If you're not going to be using any more, don't leave them lying around or throw them away on bulk. Now, here's the story. I had a client about 5 years ago. It was the first time I did a job for them, and we'd just rocked up, and the general manager had gotten a brand new iPhone and was like chuffed as, helped us set her up and that kind of stuff. Didn't ask about the old phone. A few weeks later, she complained that the old iPhone, she complained that her email was all gone. I'm like, well, okay, that's odd. All right, looked into things, and her mailbox was actually gone. It was like there was nothing in the mailbox. She had like a couple of days, but nothing of the last few years. So it turned out what she'd done is that she'd simply taken the SIM out of her phone and then handed the phone off to her daughter, who's in her tweens, who goes, oh, I don't want any of these old emails. Delete, 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 delete. She was just manually deleting. She didn't remove the account. She was just deleting the emails as she was going. All right, and it's still synchronized over the Wi-Fi at home to the corporate email account. Okay, so some lessons learned. It was a bit of a painful recovery, but that's just an idea of one of the ways that you can have a bit of a cybersecurity incident, of a kind of less intrusive kind, by just simply not thinking about what you're doing and not having a policy in place to deal with your old kit. Anyway, that's all from me. If you've got any more questions, hit me up on our website, and I'll let you know what we can do to help. Cheers.